Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Nearby Share uses Bluetooth and peer to peer Wi-Fi to connect Android devices nearby. The feature avoids cloud uploads and sends files directly between two devices. You do not need email or messaging to move images, videos, or documents. Transfers can use Wi-Fi, mobile data, or a direct hotspot depending on settings. You can set your device visibility to everyone, contacts, or hidden for privacy. This ensures you only accept files from the people you choose to share with. Open Settings on your Android device and tap Google, then Device Connections. Find Nearby Share and toggle it on to enable discovery and transfers. Tap Visibility to choose everyone, contacts, or hidden for who can see your device. Next, tap Device Details to confirm your device name and change the icon if needed. Choose data usage and pick Wi-Fi only or allow mobile data for larger files. These settings control how devices find you and how transfers consume data during sharing. To send a file, select it in Files, Gallery, or another app in Tap Share. Choose Nearby Share and wait while the phone scans for nearby devices and shows available recipients. On the receiving phone, accept the prompt within 30 seconds to start the transfer and pick Save when asked. Transfers resume automatically if connectivity switches between Wi-Fi and hotspot modes during sharing. If a device does not appear, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, unlock both phones, and move them within 3 meters for better discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.